Welcome to Crafted Sweetly. Hi, I'm Diana. Usually I'm on the other side of the camera, so you don't see me. You just see my hands working on whatever projects I'm working on. But today I'm on this side of the camera, and what better day than Thanksgiving to thank you for being my viewers. I really appreciate you watching my videos, and because I love sharing the various crafts that I'm doing and tutorials on book folding or Cricut or whatever project I happen to be working on. So I really thank you for watching my videos. And as a thank you, I'll be sharing all of the various files that I'm working on, meaning book folding patterns, Cricut projects, anything that requires a file. I will be sharing that in my Facebook group. Right in the bottom in the description box, I'm going to put a link to my Facebook group. Hop on over there and check out the various files, join the group, check out the files that I have for projects that I've already done, and then I'll also share any future projects. I'll share files in there. So that way you can, if you're inclined to fold a book, same pattern that I've done, the file is right there. But of course, if you ever have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, comment in the video section with the comments, and I'll respond to questions there. Thanks so much for being a subscriber. If you're not, please subscribe. Would love to have you along this journey of crafting. Thanks so much. Happy Thanksgiving to you. Happy Thanksgiving to your family. Be safe, and a happy holiday season. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.